I still have to be the expert. I have to validate everything. I have to speak to it from my perspective. But what it does is it frees me up to only operate in that. Like now I only have to operate as the expert. And that's what you're talking about when it's like the reminders, the suggestions. Hey, this is coming up. Here's what we recommend, but it's still on you as being the business owner, as being the expert to then be able to validate and say, this is what we're going to do. But it freed you up from having to think of all of this stuff,
Yeah,
put it together and remember it. And it just allows you to always function in what is your true state of mastery? Where should
absolutely.
you be at?
Yes, yeah. I mean, think of these AIs as $20 a month interns that can do any administrative type task that you can imagine, and that basically instantly forget everything about you every time. Also, like that's the other thing. Like you always have to remind, like, hey, this is my business. You always have to kind of remind all that because otherwise it could go in like weird, crazy directions. There's a little bit of memory in these systems, but for the most part, you always got to kind of give a constant reminder to these systems.
I just sometimes it'll spit off some crazy stuff, and I'm
Yeah.
like, you need to go back and relook at some of our conversations and actually, I think you forgot what we actually do.